Cool gadgets and new technology. We all love the arrival of a new gadget, something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for yourself, or help you out with a clever gift idea for a family or friend. Welcome to Fan Screens. In today's video, we will show you some of the coolest new gadgets and new technology we think you love. Let's get started. If you've ever found yourself trapped in a 1980s mafia movie, you've likely thought to yourself, I wish my living room couch could double as a fireproof gun safe with bulletproof cushions that could be removed and used as a shield. Well, now your dreams can become realities. CouchBunker has you covered for all your various couch-safe needs. CouchBunker is an all-new product that fits a very specific needs for a handful of people. This couch has a built-in fireproof safe that can be used to store various valuables. If you ever find yourself in need of a bulletproof shield, the cushions can be removed and strapped onto your body. They can stop a bullet at a point-blank range, though they are an optional upgrade. The vault can be accessed very quickly. All you need to do is remove the 3 cushions and the vault is ready to be accessed from underneath the sitting area. It is kept closed with 2 locks, though 1 key can operate each of these locks. The safe can store up to 30 weapons. We have no idea how much these couches cost, but you can inquire about an order from the Bed Gun Safe website. Each couch is custom built to suit the purchaser's needs. Number 2. Morus Zero. Morus Zero is a device that aims to reinvent the way that you dry your clothes. This is a desktop dryer that can be placed almost anywhere in your home. It attaches to a standard wall outlet and makes clothes drying far faster and more effective than using a traditional dryer. The dryer will also disinfect your clothes. Morus uses a patented technology that utilizes a vacuum system to remove water and moisture from your clothes. This helps water evaporate much faster than it would in a normal dryer, meaning you can have dry clothes in a fraction of the time it would take you with a standard dryer. Drying times can be lowered to just 15 minutes, saving you energy and valuable time in your day. This reduced drying time equates to a massive improvement in energy costs, lowering energy consumption by as much as 40%. In addition to this, the lower drying time and lower temperature ensures that your clothes will last far longer than they would in a standard dryer. These dryers are not currently available yet for us to purchase, but Morus hopes to bring them in the market in the near future. Number 3. Cosori Coffee Warmer. Coffee cup warmers have been around for many decades, but none are as easy to use and maintain as the Cosori Coffee Mug Warmer. This is considered to be one of the best-selling coffee warmers on Amazon. It offers better thermal conductivity than other warmers and is made with the greatest quality around. This warmer has a touch-sensitive display to allow you to dial in the coffee temperature you prefer. It can be easily switched between Fahrenheit and Celsius, with temperature scales that are incredibly accurate. The mug that comes along with the unit is FDA approved and uses food-grade steel, offering a cool touch handle. The bottom of the mug is completely flat so that it always makes perfect contact with the heating plate. This eliminates any unwanted cool down while you're enjoying your beverage and helps reheating times to be drastically less. The plate can rise to temperatures of at least 230 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning your beverage can be anywhere from 77 degrees to 158 degrees. This is one of the highest quality coffee warmers money can buy and is now available for $39 on Amazon. Number 4. GIBBS BISKI. Growing up, you likely always dreamed of having a vehicle that could travel across both land and sea. Many of us daydreamed about such vehicles being created one day, though they never came. There have been a handful of vehicles that have been created for this purpose over the years, but they have never been brought to the public market until now. GIBBS Bisky is a new motorcycle that is capable of traveling on both land and water. It can reach speeds up to 80 mph on land and reach speeds of around 37 mph in water. This means that regardless of where you are located, this bike can keep you up with other mass-produced vehicles so that you will never have to worry about traveling with restrictions. This bike is able to transition from water to land in just a few seconds with minimal input from the driver. In less than 5 seconds, you can quickly switch from land to water operation so that you'll never miss a beat. The bike is controlled by a 2-cylinder 55 HP engine that runs on standard gasoline. If you're interested in purchasing one of these amphibious bikes, just contact GIBBS directly for an estimate. Number 5. Focus. Focus was a startup company that was recently acquired by Google. This is a device that can be used to replace your daily glasses, providing you with smart tech right in your lenses. These glasses can be used to respond to text messages, make phone calls, check the weather, and so much more. The company was backed by Amazon for quite some time, and these glasses offered Alexa support. The glasses are very easy to operate. They can be ordered with prescription lenses or clear lenses. All you need to do is wear the included ring that allows you to navigate menus easily. There is a small thumbstick on the ring that lets you sort through various menus. From here, you can see all sorts of valuable data that has been beamed from your phone, without even removing your phone from your pocket. Pricing on these glasses is currently unknown since the company was recently acquired by the multi-billion-dollar giant Google, but we hope to hear more from Focus soon. Number 6. Armor 9. Armor 9 is a new smartphone that just recently achieved its goal on Kickstarter. The company was able to raise over $40,000 for their product and plans to bring it to the market very soon. This is the world's first thermal imaging equipped smartphone that is designed for outdoor use. This phone is built with a ridiculously touch shell so that it is virtually indestructible. A rigid bumper covers the unit to prevent damage from falls or impact. The phone runs on Android 10.8 and is built with an octa-core processor. It has a 64MP rear camera that is capable of displaying various types of thermal images. This phone is expected to launch for about $429 and will ship from Hong Kong sometime this year. Number 7. Mary. Mary is a fully automated home-growing device that can help you raise an indoor garden without having to learn all of the difficult techniques involved with raising a garden with artificial sunlight. This device launched on Indiegogo and was priced at $1,399. The product was created with an adaptable growing system that was equipped with artificial intelligence to accurately predict the growth cycle of your plants. It offered a multi-directional lighting system and several easy-to-use nutrients that would give your plants essential vitamins. The entire system could be controlled by an app and offered LED illumination and a nightlight for use after dark. It seems as though the company has put the project on hold for the moment, but hopefully it will return to the market soon. Number 8. StopSleep. StopSleep is an anti-sleep alarm for drivers who may be operating a vehicle while they are drowsy. This device attaches to your fingers and can detect when you begin to get drowsy or tired while driving. It will then alert you up to 5 minutes before you fall asleep, ensuring you are always awake and alert to changing road directions while your vehicle is in motion. This device has been scientifically tested by the NCSR and is recommended for use during any road trip. It offers a super fast charging time and can be used for many hours. Even if you're not prone to getting sleepy while driving, this is a great device to have on any road trip. Long hours on the road can be taxing on any of us, and you may begin to fall asleep without realizing it. This device will make sure that you and any passengers remain safe for the duration of the trip. Pricing for these devices are not currently available online, But we imagine they are quite inexpensive if you were able to locate them for sale. Wow, you've made it this far. You must really like gadgets. That's great. What do you guys think of these cool gadgets? Let us know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.